So, I have been having some problems with my lift glass. As you can see, it won't close. Now, I did some checking online, and apparently there's like a little mini solenoid in the door. So I'm going to take this panel off and we'll see what we find. Well, I got the panel off. What I found was a shitload of fucking dust. Now, just gonna go in here and take a look. This here is supposed to be the little bugger. But it doesn't actually look like it's damaged at all. Hope we can get in there and see. It runs off the door handle there. I don't know if you can see in there. So we're just gonna play with this for a little while and see how that goes. I'll keep you posted. Okay, so I fiddled with this for a little bit, but I couldn't see any obvious problems. So I just came back here to check out this latch, and I found out that if you just push that fancy little thing down there, the latch, oh, it's all out of focus, the latch will flip back. I'll just do that again now that it's focused. That's the latch there, and as you can see, the liftgate latch has popped right open there for me. So hopefully that'll keep it running for now, and I won't have to take this panel off every time I open my liftgate. I call that a successful day. Okay, so I got the panel on. I'm missing a couple latches now because they kind of broke off, but you know, old Jeep. So let's see if she'll close now. Look at that. Yay!